guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. Yeah, I haven't seen you guys in a while, but today we're actually doing my side hustle pay. This is for payday on the 7th, and this will be through 7th through the 13th. Let's go ahead and count how much cash we are actually going to be stuffing for today. I'm gonna probably put that over here. So we are going to be doing $227. So our total will be $227 here and then $227 here. So this is just pay that I pay myself from my side hustle business. Like I said, I don't pay myself a lot because I like to put a lot back into my little side hustle business, so that way I can kind of do different things with that. All right, so we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, 5, 10, 15, 20, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27. All right, so we have, and I might be able to put this back a little bit since I have twos. Let me see how that works. Yeah, we'll just do that. And I'm gonna scoot my tray over just a little bit. So how have you guys been doing? I have been busy and I have to answer all of my emails. So that is what is going on there. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add to our emergency funds. Whenever I have extra cash, I always try to make sure that I add to it. So let's go ahead all the way to the back here. And I'm not sure why my envelope came out. All right, so we have, and I'm gonna grab my tracker real quick. And the wallets, they're still being made. So but it's taken a little bit longer than what I thought. I'm trying to be patient. So, because sometimes things like that, you don't want to rush because then they come out looking bad. All right, so this is for, today is the 7th. All right, so we're gonna add cash. All right, so we are doing $50, so we should have $650 for our emergency funds. All right, so let's go ahead. We're gonna do 2 20s and we're gonna do a 10. And I didn't do this on my extra sinking fund tracker. Hopefully I can remember where everything goes. So we have 50, 150, 250, 350, 450, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 600, 20, 30, 40, 50. All right, so we got $650 for our emergency funds, and that is slowly going up, but that is awesome. All right, and we'll probably go back in here because I think I have something else that I'm stuffing for my sinking funds. So I'm just gonna stick that over there. Okay, so we have 50, I don't write with that pen. So we have $50 and then that is 50. Okay, so next I'm gonna add to my cash envelope wallets. All right, so for the only thing we're gonna be adding to today is going to be personal, and then we're going to add to gas. These are the most things that I use a lot, like the crisp, boba. The groceries is a big thing, so I always do that with my bi-weekly cash stuffing. So that's why most of the time I just add to that then. All right, so we got an Aiden. Y'all, Aiden did use his money. Yes, he did. All right, so for personal, we are going to be doing $25. I'm going to be adding 20 and then a 5. So 20, 25. So that. And then we are going to be adding 40 to gas. We already have 10 in here. So we're going to do 2 20s. So that'll give us 20, 40, 50 for our gas. All right, so I think we are pretty much done with our wallet here. Okay, and then we have 65. And I didn't put anything for that, so I'm not worried about that. Okay, so next we're gonna do car taxes. That's what I told you guys. We're gonna go right back in there. And let's see, car taxes. Okay. So car taxes, I actually don't have a tracker because I do use this little tracker. And we are going to be adding $20 to that. All right, so I'm gonna do 20, and I'm gonna do 20. All right, so let's just do one $20 bill. So that'll leave us with, I'm just gonna do a yellow taxi cab. All right, and I haven't got my invoice for the property taxes yet, so I am still waiting on that. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65. So I think usually the first one is like 200, and I think it's like due in June, and then the next one is due in December. So they pretty much split the whole bill up in two. All right, so we got that. Now we're going to be doing our savings challenges. We are going to be adding, let's do our, yeah, let's go ahead and do our 1K. All right, so we are actually, as you can see, I did start this over. So we're going to be adding to one of the envelopes. We're going to be doing $40 because each one of these are $40. So we're going to do, let's see, let's do a 20 and 210. So we got 20, 30, 40. Y'all, I hope that I add this money correctly, the increments that I needed. All right, so we got $40 there. So I'm gonna put that there. Next, we are gonna be doing our 52-week savings challenge. This one right here, I love it so freaking much. All right, so let's see. And since it's not too thick, I can put it like this. All right, so let's go to our 52 weeks. All right, so we're gonna do, okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do week 10. Let's go ahead and do that one. We'll check that off. And then we'll do 10, 11. All right, so we got $11. All right, next we're gonna do 12. So we'll do 10, 11, 12. So let me go ahead and check that off. All right, so I have that. Put that there. All right, so next we have 13, and I think I did 14. I think I'm gonna do, yeah, I think I'm gonna do 14 for 12 because I don't have $14. I mean, I don't have $13. I have 14, so it's just an extra $1. All right, so let's check that off. So we're gonna go ahead and fold that. And then let's flip this over. All right, next we're gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and do, we'll go ahead and do this one to keep it kind of like in line because I was going to do the $15, but I'm going to do the 14 so we'll have an extra $1. So 5, 10, 15. So we'll just go ahead and do that. And then next time we'll head to the $15. Okay. All right. So we are pretty much rolling on this 52 weeks back over again. And I'm not sure once I fill this up what I'm going to use this for. Last time I did it for getting a month ahead. So that's what I use that for. So that is the end of this video. Oh yeah, guys, and I do have a couple more of these left. These went super quick on my site, so you have to get them when you can. These are hard to find, hard to get. Yeah, so I do have those on there. So thank you guys so much for chilling with me. And I've been like MIA here and there because I've been like getting a lot of stuff done. I am like packing and doing all this extra stuff, and it's kind of hard when you, how do I put it? It's kind of hard trying to do stuff when you have stuff like packed up in totes and stuff. super hard. So I am like trying to like stay on track with that. So if you're not already hopped over to my Instagram, guys, please hop over to it. It's called APinkeClothlife, and my TikTok. And then, like I always say, until next time, guys, peace.